Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about AI tools for graphic design and how you can use them to create professional-looking designs for free. AI tools for graphic design are a powerful new technology that can help you create stunning designs without any prior experience. These tools use artificial intelligence to generate design ideas, edit your work, and even create complex designs from scratch. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 of the best free AI tools for graphic design. I'll also give you some tips on how to use these tools effectively and share some examples of designs that you can create with them. Canva is a popular online design platform that offers a wide range of features, including AI-powered tools. With Canva, you can create social media graphics, presentations, logos, and more without any design experience. Some of Canva's AI tools include Magic Design. This tool can generate design ideas based on your text. Background Remover. This tool can automatically remove backgrounds from photos. Smart Resize. This tool can automatically resize your designs for different platforms. Pixelr is another popular online photo editor with AI-powered tools. With Pixelr, you can edit photos, resize images, and create collages. Some of Pixelr's AI tools include Auto Enhance. This tool can automatically improve the quality of your photo AI style. Transfer. This tool can apply artistic styles to your photos. AI Cutout. This tool can automatically remove objects from your photos. Gravit Designer is a free vector graphics editor with AI-powered features. With Gravit Designer, you can create logos, icons, illustrations, and more. Some of Gravit Designer's AI tools include Auto Trace. This tool can convert raster images. Color Matcher. This tool can help you create harmonious color palettes. Shape Recognizer. This tool can help you identify and edit shapes in your designs. Vector is a free online vector graphics editor with AI-powered features. With Vector, you can create logos, icons, illustrations, and more. Some of Vector's AI tools include Shape Recognizer. This tool can help you identify and edit shapes in your designs. Font Pairer. This tool can help you find complementary font pairings. DesignsA is a suite of AI-powered design tools that can help you create logos, social media graphics, presentations, and more. DesignsA offers a free plan that includes access to a limited number of features. Tips for using AI tools for graphic design. Start by brainstorming your design ideas. What kind of message do you want to convey? What kind of style do you want to use? Once you have a good idea of what you want to create, you can start using AI tools to help you bring your ideas to life. Experiment with different AI tools and features. Each AI tool has its own strengths and weaknesses. Try out different tools and features to see what works best for you and your project. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on graphic design, technology, and more.